Welcome to Lightning Landscape, your source for offbeat ideas that can be put together on a whim, on a zero budget or so, and in a flash. So Lightning Landscape it is. We are here at the Matson household, Hemlock Farms in Bethany, Connecticut, also known as the Valley Chapel in years past. And thank you very much to Reynolds Tree Care for the birch logs, which were left over from the teepee that Mr. Reynolds made for his boy. And so I retrieved them today at the old sawmill in Hamden, Cheshire area that they live at. So the whole project took all of about 1/2 hour of digging and arranging birch logs, and the Ranumnculus are courtesy of Sam Walton, $2 a piece at Walmart. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, $20 worth of Ranumnculus, 45 minutes worth of labor, and thanks to Mr. Reynolds, and there we have it. Be happy to hear your thoughts and your ideas about your budget projects that are interesting and quick and intriguing. Your humble correspondent, Joe Matson.